How to delete Instagram account permanently. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then make sure to log into your Instagram account you want to delete. Once done, tap on the profile icon available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once on your profile, tap on the three dashboard option available in the top right corner of your screen to navigate to the settings and privacy. Once done, look for the account center option available there. You can see it at the top and tap on it. Now from there, tap on the personal information option available there. Once you tap on it, you will get to see account ownership or membership option available inside there. And now all you have to do is tap on it. Then tap on the deactivation or deletion. Then tap on your profile. Then you can see two options available there, deactivate and delete. Tap on the delete and continue. Now from the list, choose any reason you prefer. Tap on the reason and tap on the next option available there. Now again, tap on the continue. And lastly, you will have to enter your Instagram password to permanently delete your Instagram account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.